Now looking at this problem, we are to simplify this in module 8. So what we do, we immediately open the bracket. 7 multiplied by 3x will give us 21x. Plus 7 multiplied by 6 will give us 42. All in module 8. Now if you look critically, you will see that the numbers 21x and 42 are greater than the module 8. Module 8 contains 0 to 7. So what that means is that we are going to divide each by 8 because it is the remainder that we will now use as our answer. So if we divide this by 8 and we divide this too by 8, 21x divided by 8 will now give us 3x remainder 5, while 42 divided by x will give us 5 remainder 2. So now the remainders is what we will use as our final answer. So for here the remainder is 5, so we say 5x plus 2, the remainder for this, all in module 8. That will be our final answer. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, Mr. Hallelujah Maths Class. Thank you.